What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sweeps here, and in today's video, let me put on a glove because it's kind of dirty. I have a new throttle body. Well, new to me, but new throttle body. A couple new sensors. That should help the car run right, because lately, when I'm driving it, it would pop up on the dash and say engine fail-safe program, and then go into limp mode where I have no power. And then I'd cut it off, cut it back on, and go back to normal. Yeah, so the old throttle body, I think the sensor was just bad, but we'll go ahead and replace it, get rid of it. Hopefully this one's good. And then valve cover gaskets, 2. And these are also just some grommets for the nuts, or screws, or something, I don't know. But because I got a small oil leak, and she spits a little bit of smoke when I start her up, and I don't want that at all. So, I'm doing that. Let's get started. This may be too close, but see if it focuses. See how the bolt is still in there, but it's not coming out the rear end? Yep. Broken. So now I gotta see if I can pull that old one out and get a new one in. Well, as you can see, I mean, I'm replacing my valve covers anyways. I'm gonna go and pull both of them off. And while I'm there, I'm going to pull the intake manifold off too. So, here we go. So this side here is where the leak is coming out of, and maybe you can't see it on camera, but the old paint is just kind of coming off with the gasket, and it just looks terrible. I will try to get some close-ups after I take it off, but yeah, absolutely terrible. Which I think I have to retime it, so for right now I'm just going to replace the gaskets and clean them off a little bit. But I do want to have it sandblasted and cleaned up, or walnut blasted, whatever. Whichever one is the one that's safe. I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and go ahead and start scraping the outer edge all the way around so it's clean. Alright, so here's what I've got. I've got, if it'll stay focused, the old grommet's off, the new one's on, the surface is all clean. all the way around. I got the new gasket back there to throw on. I've got some RTV sensor safe right there. This whole area all the way around is clean. Just cut it off with a rag, and then what I couldn't scrape off with my nail. So that's ready to get put back on. Alright, boyos and girlios. I got the valve cover gasket back in. I got all the grommets on all the nuts and screws and bolts and everything torqued down to spec. So this valve cover is done. I'm gonna get that other valve cover off. Also, change of plans. I'm not gonna remove that. I'm gonna end up trying to remove just the 6 bolts that go around it eventually. Maybe not tonight, I don't know. There's an M62 TU nearby that I can get some parts from, so might do that. But I'm gonna get that other valve cover gasket out and the new one in, and I'll be right back. Kate, are you excited? Tell me, Kate, what car do you want to see today?
I want to see an old school Volkswagen Beetle.
An old Volkswagen Beetle? There's an old Volkswagen Beetle that lives in our neighborhood. We could just go home. Oh, Mike, E38. There you go. Hunter's blocking the view, but be alright. Gosh, Hunter. Michael, what car are you looking for today?
E36.
An E36? M3 or 328 like yours?
I'm gonna see if I can. I brought my tools.
You brought your tools? You gonna steal their parts?
Yeah. Whatever parts they don't.
You're gonna take out the, what is it, the S52? The M3 motor? We lost Taylor, Trey, and Skylar, and everybody. But hopefully we'll find them back.
I'm looking for a food truck.
Full black.
Always, dude. Always. Everybody wears all black. That's how car guys roll. Look,
Blair,
black.
your bride?
Black.
Your bride?
Except for him. He's not a real car guy. He's not wearing all black. See, you gotta be wearing that black. Oh gosh, I can't see.
You're wearing sweatpants.
Micah, you're not a car guy. That's what car guys wear, dude. Black and black. You're not wearing black. Look.
Car guys wear jeans.
Car guys don't wear ripped gray
Or car
pants.
guys don't judge other car people by what they're wearing.
We don't judge other people's cars. We judge what they wear. Look, even Kate's wearing all black. Micah.
She's ugly.
Huh? You like that car, Kate? RX-7. That thing's super nice. What? Is your camera dead?
What?
Rookie. I can't believe you didn't charge it right before a car
like
show.
2 seconds of the RX-7. That's it.
It's okay. I got some footage
Okay,
of it.
I got my other one.
Oh yeah, you got the iPhone 12. You got like 8K in video though, so you're good.
Oh,
Ew.
did I just step in? No, I didn't. Because as soon as I stepped, it felt like mushy.
Carrera.
Where's my camera?
R35. Watch out. There you go, Micah. Too Fast, Too Furious right there, son. First thing, we see a Lambo over here. Sitting in the shadows. Ooh, look at that.
What, the Dodson?
Yeah.
Because inside the
Oh my god.
A pretty Lambo. Is this S550 Bentonco right there? It is. I want to look at this really quickly. Come on, Kate. Don't get lost. Lamborghini. Kate found a dog. I found a Lamborghini.
That's out of all the cars, she found a dog.
I know this guy. Kate, how did you find a dog at the car show?
I find dogs everywhere, though.
Transition. It's terrible transition.
What happened to it? You making a TikTok or something? Look at the carbon fiber on it all, dude. Look at this, Kate. Can I buy that for my car? Oh, that's the Supra? What is that? Oh, the 4C?
See these? I saw
These cameras?
video.
Is that another Supra? Oh, it's Toyota of Cleveland. No wonder they're freaking bringing cars out here. That's the best car here. Imagine that thing on bags. The Wiener Mobile. Just. It's so static. And a hot dog was flying. Oh, Hillside kit for the 370. Do you like with the flowers on it everywhere? Kate found an E36. Oh, misguided. They're a whole like BMW thing. Holy. This thing's intense. A neat little C8. I've never seen this color. This thing's nice. This is super nice. A couple supers next to it. RX-7. E30 right there. Fire. What do you think? Can I get one? No? No, why not?
You gotta get me a car first.
What do you want?
Look at that E30.
And more E30s. I want to look at that paint up close, Kate.
There's no 2002s here.
I know. No, that's because you don't see them. Ooh, look, another wagon right behind them. Oh, I saw that one last night. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's actually going to be it. Obviously, this footage is pretty old. That was Riverside 2020. We are now on August 31st of 2021. So I'm like a little bit over a year behind, I think. But I've basically just been compiling footage. Sorry this video was kind of everywhere. It went from, you know, doing gaskets, and then all of a sudden I didn't record the rest of that because it was kind of the night before Riverside, so I was crunching to get it done. And then I recorded a lot of Riverside. The last aisle was really mostly just Slam trucks. I didn't really record a lot of that. Not because I didn't want to, I guess I just kind of forgot. But yeah, I obviously am a little bit behind on footage. A little bit over a year. And I've only got like a handful of videos to make up for it just because we've been so busy. I mean, like the car looks basically the exact same. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in next week's video.